Task 1A, change number 2. Should the owner make the following change? Prepare the reports for next year right now by basing the figures on the owner's estimates of what will take place. So basically what she's proposing is during the current period, time will go by and then be a little bit more, and then finally she'll get to the end of the period, and what every business does is they prepare financial reports, and they prepare 3. They do a balance sheet, an income statement, and a cash flow statement. Well, what she's suggesting here is rather than waiting for time to elapse during next reporting period, why not just make some estimates now of what she thinks will happen and just make up those reports based on those estimates as of right now. So we need to answer the question, should that change be made or should it not? So there's different answers based on different theories. What we're going to do is look at the qualitative characteristics, and we're going to argue that it shouldn't be made. And we're going to use the qualitative characteristic of reliability to back up our answer. So reliability means information is reliable if it is free from error, opinions and estimates, is based on data that can be checked or verified, and has a source document to verify it. So we need to now answer this for 3 marks. So we need to do 3 things. We're going to identify an appropriate qualitative characteristic. So we'll say reliability. We're going to define it, and we'll just give a brief summation of the definition rather than give the whole thing. And we'll say the information in accounting reports must be free of error, estimates and opinions by ensuring all data is verified with source documents. Now, to get that last mark, we haven't actually answered the question. We've said nothing about this particular case study. So what we're going to do finally is relate this theory to the case study we've been given. And what we're going to say is, in this case, the owner should not make the change to prepare next year's reports now. And that's because the figures provided by the owner would be estimates of what she thinks will happen, and those figures can't be verified with a source document. So let's look at where our 3 marks were. We had 1 for identifying reliability, a 2nd mark for defining it, and a 3rd mark for relating it to the case study.